Here I have AMG MS6 and let me show you how to save and memory the seat position on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, and then let's find the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now you need to use the upper menu to choose the third tab, which is the convenience. Now, as you can see at the top, you've got the driver's seat position memory. Let's read the information about it. So here you can adjust the driver's seat and a rear view mirror position to the desired location using the mirror and seat adjustment switches. Once set, press and hold the position switch on the screen for 2 seconds. This will store the current driver's seat and mirror location to that position. Up to 3 separate positions can be stored. So it's quite nice to have this feature. So now, as you can see, I'm already using the position number 2. Now let me change this position. So I'm changing something, for example, in my seat. Now, as you can see, I can already use this menu and save this position, or I can also use the following numbers. For example, let me change this position to position 1. Let's hold it for 2 seconds, and it was saved successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.